We're changing the brakes on a 19 Forester Sport. Gotta get it jacked up. Give it a couple jack stands. I didn't loosen these before I put it up in the air because I have this impact. We've got a couple of caps that need to come off the back here. I'm gonna save those. And this is a 7mm. You're gonna need and we are dealing with the spring, so I suggest safety goggles. Just in case, you know. You kind of have to push these. They don't really come out real easy from the middle. There's a little lip to grab onto though. So once the threads are off, you just go ahead and push it back. Now, I like using, oh, wow, sorry guys. I like using this to get that spring off. There we go, spring's off. I had the e-brake on when I did the other side. I had to take that off. It's pretty funny. Why is it not coming off? I said. And I realized I had the emergency parking brake on. Get off of there. Come on. Get off of there. Here. Ah, there we go. Yeah, these definitely were in need of replacement. I'm surprised how small these actually are for a car like this. One with the spring goes on the back. And we have this piston caliper tool. You should probably see this. Give me one moment. Oh, geez. Okay. Maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. This little piston caliper tool. You could rent at like an O'Reilly's. You take and twist it in. Oh geez. Wow, it's a good thing I have this tool. Drive those calipers in for some reason. I don't understand why. As I do this, it's supposed to drive it in, but it didn't on the other side. I ended up using a clamp, and I think I'm going to do the same thing on this side. The clamp just barely fits in there, and it barely reaches. I guess I just turn in this until it stops. Oh, it stopped. Okay, so Do I back it off a little bit so it's not all super tight? Yeah, probably should. Okay. There we go. Just the tiniest bit backed off. We're gonna need the clamp at its most open setting. It just barely fits in there. I have the brake reservoir off, the cap off to let fluid back into the reservoir. Okay, that's pushed back in. Not bad, not bad. Okay, we're gonna take our brand new brakes. Put this one on the back. Put this one on the front. And slide this back on. Get that out of the way. On. Okay, I'm not going to tighten that one all the way until I confirm this bottom one can go in too. And for the spring, wherever I put it, there it is. I'll put the one side in first and pull it down. Get in that hole. Oh, there we go. That's it. Okay, so we gotta put these caps back on. Cap. And cap. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and put the tire back on. No, I don't need these anymore. So the second tire here took me under 10 minutes since I did the first one and had to drive to town to get the right 7mm Allen, or hex, they would call it, hex. Okay, I don't need that spinning on me. Let's go ahead and drop this a little bit. I have my torque wrench set to 96 foot-pounds. I needed to double check. I'll double check these torque settings before we go do the beat-in process on this. That was pretty good. I like it. Just drop this down to the ground and clean up my tools here. We're gonna go ahead and put the cap back on. Put the cap back on that. Absolutely worth it to rent this thing from O'Reilly's. They're like $30 at Harbor Freight. The brake caliper tool set worked that good. So I looked it up, and we're supposed to torque these to 89 pounds, not 96. So I am going to loosen these up a little bit and tighten to the right spec. 89, not 96. Nice. Here we go. We're going about 35 and then we're going to slow down. Okay. Get it to about 45, 50 again. And stop a little harder. Okay, now we're gonna get onto the freeway. Stop on the freeway, but I happen to know there's a right turn up here. So I'm going 55 miles per hour. I'm gonna start stopping and do it harder right now. Okay.
Wow, those are nice.
brake. Oh, that's too nice. We're done. I'm going home. Thank you all for joining me. Like, subscribe for more junk videos. Seriously, this was a bad one. Well, I suppose you now know what to get your Subaru going back online for under $100 to get your brakes done. That's pretty good. Like, subscribe, share this junk video. Thank you.